Hi, welcome to Accounting and Excel Hacks YouTube channel. I am starting a series on Excel basics primarily to help all those who have just started their career. In this first video, we will learn these four aspects. Number one, the introduction, the look and feel of the Excel worksheet, the keywords used in the Excel, text versus number, how does Excel understands these two, and the quick access toolbar. Let's jump into one by one. The look and feel. So this is the Excel looks like, right? So all these, what you can see in the alphabetical character. So A, B, C, all these are the columns, and what you can see in the numbers are the rows. And in between the small boxes, what you can see is called as cell. Now let's understand the keywords used in the Excel. So we've already understood what is column, what is row, and what is cell. So now the upper part of the Excel is known as the ribbon. And in the bottom, we can see the different tabs. So each tab is basically called as worksheet. And all the worksheets in one Excel file is called as a workbook. Let's understand a little more about the ribbon. So this is very important because this ribbon contains a different tab as you can see, and each tab contains a set of command. For example, under home command, home tab, you can see all these commands, right? So clipboard, font, alignment, number, etc. Under insert tab, you can see the different set of commands: pivot table, under tables and charts, filters, park line, etc. Like this. Under each tab, we will have a different set of commands, and all these commands we can simply call it as a features. And these commands or features can be used while we are working in the Excel. This we will learn in greater detail as we move on in the upcoming videos. Now, text versus number. So let us understand. I'll go to this tab, Excel table. I've just created one simple table. So the month column, we have Jan, Feb, March, and in the sales column, I have a sales number for the 3 months. So basically, now we want to understand how Excel understands the text and number. So usually, Excel will understand the text. Excel will understand any words as text and any numbers as numbers. But how does it differentiate? How do we identify a text? Any word is a text and any number is a number. So there is a trick actually. Excel's natural way of understanding is that any word you type it. For example, I'll type December. By default, it stays at the left extreme, and number, I'll type for example 10,000, it stays at the right extreme. This is the way, natural way of Excel's understanding. So thereby we can also understand the text will always stay at the left extreme and the number will always stay at the right extreme, and we can manually change the alignment by going here and change the alignment. But however, it is not advisable to change the alignment, and let us keep it the way the Excel understands it, and that is also helpful for us to differentiate it. In the next video, we will learn some more aspects of the Excel basics. So subscribe to our channel if you feel this content is useful. Thank you.